Assalamu alaikum. My name is Mehtab Ahmed from 40 Morning Pro. My group number is 43 and my roll number is BP1650133. Today's topic which is assigned to me is burn. First of all, introduction burn. What is burn? Burn are tissue damage caused by heat, chemicals, electricity, radiations, or sun. Nearly millions of the peoples in the world are yearly burned by different means, by accident, by hot fire, by different means. First degree burn, which is most common, and the second degree, and the third degree, second degree which can be treated at home, and the third degree can be life-threatening and require special medical care. Your healthcare provider determine the seriousness of burn based on the depth of the burn and the amount of the affected skin. Burn can be painful, untreated, or lead to be infection if cannot treated on time and left it. The burn is divided into three types or three degrees. The first degree burn, which is most common, which is happened by sunburn or any warm touching of any warm thing or warm thing, the redness, or sometimes can be lead to be blisters, but not more. It is just a damage of the upper layer of the skin. The second burn, which is top and the layer dermis, is also exposed to the sun or can be damaged by the fire. You may experience pain, redness, swelling, and blisters too. And the third degree, which is very serious condition of the patient and can be lead to patient in an emergency too. Affected all the three layers, epidermis, dermis, and fats. The burn can also destroy the hair follicles and the sweat glands because the third degree can damage the nerve ending. You probably won't feel in pain in the area of the burn, but the adjacent to it. The burned skin may be black, white, or red, or because it is completely change the color and lead to the completely damage of the tissues. If I can show you in figure in the first degree burn and shows is only redness and is available because it's not much harmful and can be lifted. And then second degree, which is blisters are present and can be treated by different medications or by the home treated first aid can be used also. But the for third degree, it is very condition and the color of the skin completely change because the whole damage is depth completely damaged to the depth. If there is a case of 25 years old young boy which is a complaint of the burning, he is mostly have burn on his legs, arms, and some part of the face also. They have feeling some pain, complaint for about pain, and there is no any past surgical history. Subject gender is male, age 25, weight is 90 kg, and head height is 180 centimeter. Location of the burn is face, arm, and legs. History is 25% including face, both and arm, and some part of the legs too. Object, the first object of our is if a patient is feeling any kind of pain or serve any pain. So first our indication is to give some anti painkillers or an anti-allergic energies to relieve the pain first. Then we treat the any other thing because if the pain is not unbearable can leave the patient to a different level of seriousness. So first, use painkillers and intensive scale exercises to reduce the pain. Then administer analgesic. Then administer analgesic and prescribe some effectiveness provided emotional supported reassurance. Our assessment is the first access check the patient is in a condition of a conscious and take medicines and take breathe clearly or not. Sometimes the patients are in in an accident can escape trying to escape from the place or can be fractured or have an accident or can be seriously damaged. So for the excess in breathing, circulation, disability, and BP check the BP of the patient is normal or not. Can be not be normal, but according to the situation is better or not for the fluid distribution, and also access the server burn of the conscious level. Access the associate injuries. Associate injuries can be leave to sustain while the victim attempt to escape from the fire. So check the if isn't any available of fracture or any other damage or injury too. It is essential that the time of the burn injury can be established. Burn sustained within an enclosed space suggested possible in inhalation injury. Pre-existing illness, drug therapies, allergies, and drug sensitivity are also important. Establish the patient tightness immunization standard. Our plan is to first clean the burn soap with water or with the disinfectant to remove the loose and damaged skin which cannot be damaged further skin, because we are going to clean it from also um, large blisters or dressing it. So if the blisters are present, which is normally lower than 1 centimeter, so can be lifted and be focused on the large or large damage. Or the blisters which are more than centimeter can be lead to be dangerous or be painful. So can be used or removed by the aseptic techniques. Non-adhesive dressings are used by gauzes, padding, very effective, because if we use some those gauzes which are adhesive to skin can lead to be more problem after when we detach or change the dressing, because it is important to check the patient after several period of time to about is skin is recovering or not about out and take painkillers if any bacterial activity is present, so must take the precautions and clean it. So it is important to check the uh, patient's complacency and use those things which are non-adhesive to skins. Biologically, dressings are much better for children's. Dressing should be experienced to be 48 hours to resist the burn, including depth. Dressing or superficial partial thickness burns can be changed after 2 to 5 days in the absence of infection. The infection occur daily. Wound inspection should be daily on the basis of the degree of the burn. If it is more serious condition, then most probably for a few hours it will be checked. Ensure the patients have relaxed and adequate the analgesic and give need the tetanus prophylaxis. Thank you so much.